show did you binge watch embarrassingly fast?
Vampire Diaries. When I was in Australia, you know, मेरा तो वो there was this character मुझे उसका असल नाम अभी भी नहीं पता, Damon. You know, his way of loving was मतलब he would love in such a disguised way. Even though he's the bad guy in the series, but you know, if you watch the series, you would know that he was good in a very like disguised way. So I became such a big fan. मेरा कभी कोई celebrity crush नहीं हुआ था, but that guy used to be he was printed on my bed sheet. Imagine. I went to the US और मैंने LA से transit ली थी just because you know मुझे था कि मुझे Beverly Hills जाना है और मुझे वहाँ पे मिल जाते हैं ना अक्सर Hollywood actors, actresses. So I was like, maybe you know I'll get to bump into him somehow. So yeah, he was my celebrity crush.
मुझे पहले I'm not over the bed sheet.
Yeah, it's a little disturbing, but
it's very disturbing. I don't know how to respond to this.
Not in that way, but just because I was such a big fan कि मतलब मेरे you know he was on my cupboards, he was मेरी you know इसके cover पे phone के, and then he was also on my bed sheet. तो मतलब that is how big of a fan I was.
I hope one day he watches the show.
I hope so too.
Acha, if you could travel to any other planet, like real or imaginary
planets?
Like imaginary fictional, not imaginary fictional. Wow, what did I say? Okay, so if you could travel to any planet, real or fictional, which one would it be?
Yeah, fictional. I don't know, what do you mean by fictional planets?
Like, I mean, like, you know, like Star Wars or like, you know, Star Trek or something like that. You know, there are like a lot of planets and like a lot of. But okay, forget that. Any planet in our solar system.
मैं मार्स पे जाऊंगी because मैंने सुना है कि मार्स पे कल को हम शायद ट्रैवल करेंगे और वहाँ पे जिंदगी होगी. So I want to go and check out if it's even worth living. You know?
तो वहाँ जाए अगर already जाना ही है तो फिर अभी क्या जाके
करना? Because I want to, because you know there are like so many offers कि आपको अभी से वहाँ पे अपनी property में invest कर लेना चाहिए, पता नहीं मार्स पे property खरीदनी चाहिए, stuff like that. So I really want to look into that.